Hello there, welcome back. I'm your boy Mr. Talented Reid, and today's video I'm going to show you how to change my sanding disc. And this is a grinder. I'm going to show you how to change it. So here I have a new one right here. I'm going to replace it with this one, and I use this to remove it. So I put it in like this and turn it. But first, there's a button right here. Press this button. So after I press this button, just lock the wheel so it cannot turn. So now it cannot turn, and I use the key to pull it. So now I'm going to put the phone on my tripod and show you guys how to change it. So stay tuned. So right now I'm going to show you how I do it. So first you press this button right here and see that it lock like this. You're going to get the key, put it in these two holes and turn it. I need to put a little pressure on it. Turn it like this. So this is the lock nut. This is the old grinder, this. So now I'm going to replace it with a new one, just like that. Okay, so these all come different, some wide and some narrow. So I have different keys that I can use to get it. So this can use for a bigger nut. So now I tighten it, release it, and there you go. So that's how you replace your grinding this blade. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.